Hey everyone, today you are going to learn a new poem by, drumroll please, James Carter. I simply love this poem and I promise you, you are going to love it too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a map of this poem, okay? And then I will do some actions and say the words out loud. Your job is to follow my lead and learn it by heart. And once you're confident, you're going to record a video and send it over to us. Here we go. So the title of our poem is Follow My Arrow. Busy bugs. And the action which goes with it, busy bugs. Okay, here we go. So my first, verse is this one. Out in the garden. Now, second one. Look down low. See all the busy bugs. Sorry. This one. Come and go. This one. Wriggly bugs. That can't keep still. Sorry. This one now. Tiny bugs that build a hill. This one now. Shiny bugs. This one now. That feed on leaves. Spotty bugs that climb up the tree. You know the action for this one. Out in the garden. Okay, here we go.